Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone keyboard lag after iOS update. If you're using any iPhone, you're facing the issue that your iPhone keyboard is keeps lagging after updating your iOS. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing is that can try to make a force restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do that, you have to quickly press on this volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for your Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone. And here, you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so this is the exact way to fix this error, which is open up your settings app and here go to general. Just scroll down and look for transfer reset iPhone. Select reset and then select reset keyboard dictionary. Select this option from here, then enter your iPhone passcode, and then you have to select reset dictionary option again from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all over your keyboard settings. After resetting your keyboard settings, your issue will be fixed and your keyboard will not lag anymore. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.